Hi guys, I think you might have seen one of those on AliExpress because they are quite popular. They are sold as Furutech power filters, and I bought one because it was quite cheap. It was something like $50. It had tons of positive reviews that I show you in a minute, and I wanted to see what's inside. So let's start with the reviews. Okay, I have to unlock my. Yep, it's already done. Okay, so yep, yep. Let's look for the power filter. Yeah, and that will be this one. I got this guy in July, and I had no time to look inside. That's the store. We want to take a look here. I've paid for it something like $51, more or less. Just divide that by 3.6. And that's it. So, the guys have sold 153 units and they are getting excellent reviews. They work very well. I got 2 of them, I got 4 of them. I use it with my duck and the improvement in transparency was immediate. Yeah, excellent quality. It did not remove the noise, generally solid cable, decent plugs, etc. Very high quality power filter cable, etc. etc. Okay, so I've seen some photos on the web where some guy had actually disassembled that, and inside of this larger box, larger plug, there was just a regular EMI RFI filter, like the one that I've recommended you to do it yourself with a plastic box about a year ago. Those actually work. Those are RFI EMI filters that are used on sensitive electronic equipment. Some of them are used in the TV, some of them are used in medical devices. They are very small metal boxes connected to the IEC connector, and yes, one of them would be easily fitting inside here because they would be that deep. Yeah, so I got this one. The plugs are branded with Furutech. I have actually reviewed a set of those. They are quite nice, although that one is shiny and that one is matte. They both are coming protected in plastic meshes. Yeah. So I got to look inside, and in order to disassemble that guy, you need to remove those 2 screws, and then you need to unscrew that barrel, and underneath the barrel there will be 4 more hex screws, and then you can open that and ta-da! Nothing, basically nothing. Just a piece of cable soldered to the connector. Yeah. Oh well, whoops. So maybe there was something hidden in that connector. As you can see, I've already opened that one up. In order to do that, you need to loosen those 2 screws so it won't be holding onto the cable, and then you need to unscrew those 2 guys, and you can probably actually know where it's going to, and yes, nothing and nothing. So basically it's just a 50 centimeter long, or maybe 50, I think I bought the 50. Let's check that. Yes, very high quality. I got 50 centimeters. Yeah, let's take a look at those 153 positive reviews. Everyone likes high-end cables. I can tell it's the real deal, obvious quality. High-end cable really works to lower the noise floor. The effect is fairly obvious. Yep, it surely is. Nothing here, just 50 centimeters of cable. And the cable is actually good because this is one of the Furutech fakes. I can tell by the color of the isolation here, the violet that you can see. It's one of the better Furutech fakes, although the shield, yes, the shield is not connected anywhere. Yeah, but for $50 you can get 50 centimeter of the Furutech cable and 2 plugs. Does it work? No, it doesn't. It just makes your cable longer. Yeah, but I have seen that there are versions that actually do have this EMI filter hidden inside. So I guess I'll get one of them, or I think I may already have a couple of them left from the last year. I'll check that. If I have one at home, then I'll replace the plug with the actual EMI filter here. And if I don't have one, I'll buy one because they are like $5, something like that. So I'll get one and I'll replace the connector here with that filter, because it will easily fit inside. And then I will actually have a working filter that looks and maybe is a little bit more practical than the box that I've been using. Although the box was allowing you to connect a regular Shuko plug. So there is this. Okay, so if you have one of those and if it works for you, then I'm happy for you. But that's just 50 centimeters of the cable and 2 plugs for $50. So 1 centimeter of the cable per $1 and 1/15th of the plug. 2 plugs actually. Yeah, so yeah, it's not everything gold that shines. And yeah, that's it. That was a very quick review. See you next time, guys. And yes, the links in the video description and my test system setup details probably won't be in the description. Have a great day, guys.